Hello faculty. To create and build a module, go to the modules page, click the plus module button, type in the name of your first module, check this box to lock the module, click the calendar, select an opening date, type in a specific time, and click Done. Then add module. Your students will then see the opening date of the module here. That's basically it for creating a module. Now, let's add content pages, assignments, discussions, and quizzes to build our module. To do that, click the plus button, click the drop-down menu to see the options, and for this demonstration, I'll go ahead and select content page. And then type in, let's say, Chapter 1 PowerPoint presentation. Click this to indent and click Add Item. To edit the module settings, click this button and click Edit. This is where you can add a prerequisite and the requirements for the module. Once done, click Update Module. In the module, this is where the students will see the prerequisite and requirements information. Lastly, do not forget to publish your module.